How to make a video without a camera. So you want to make a video without a camera? Well, you're definitely watching the right video then. Many people want to do this. Maybe they want to make a YouTube video, or perhaps a promotional video for Instagram, the blog, or a website. But if they have not got a camera, haven't got the right video footage or pictures, or maybe they simply do not want to appear on the video themselves, this can be a problem. Luckily, we have the solution. This video has been made using an intelligent video creator. The video creator is excellent. You simply upload a written script and the video creator does all the work for you. It creates stunning videos fast, in a matter of seconds. It automatically matches the script to relevant video clips or pictures. No filming is required, so you do not need to be a photographer nor actor. There are a range of automated voices to choose from, male and female, English, American and Australian. I'm Harry, by the way. Or if you prefer, you can add your own voice instead. The video creator has over 112 million video clips and pictures, so the choice is endless. There are clips for almost all scenarios. Yes, I know, these are paper clips. But there are many more different ones. If you cannot find what you require, or perhaps want to use something bespoke, such as a company logo, then you can always upload that instead. The video creator is so simple and easy to use. Pre-made templates are available covering all social media applications, for example YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Shape is not an issue either, rectangle or square, it's all possible. And themed templates are included as well, color and background coordinated with the associated industry. This one is a health template. Text overlays can be included if required. Or hidden if not. The video creator is so versatile and easy to use. We've made over 100 videos now using the software and cannot recommend it enough. It's allowed us to set up a full-time health channel on YouTube. A link to the software is provided in the description below. And here's the good news. If you use this link, you will then get a free 7-day trial of the software. So you can try it out fully at no cost. We hope you found this video useful. We will be producing more of these explanatory videos shortly, including training tips and tricks. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you will not miss any future updates.